fresh twist in the ongoing Sandesh Khali Rao over an alleged sting operation which was done allegedly by a private news channel. This is what West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has also said, saying that this is all orchestrated by the BJP. Though, of course, the TMC also says that this has been orchestrated by the BJP and all of it was done at the behest of the Central Party. The BJP says that this is just a poll gimmick by the TMC. Take a look.
हम कह रहे बीजेपी जो है ना, ये माफी मांगने से भी ना कम होगा। आज भारत की जनता ये देख ले कि ये कौन है। इनका ट्रेलर ये है, इनका ये ट्रेलर है कि भारत आज बंगाल को किए, कल भारत को करेंगे, बदनाम करेंगे और केवल बीजेपी के अलावा और सब गलत हैं और ये झूठ और फरेब के ऊपर ये लोग वोट की मांग कर रहे हैं।
देखिए, ये तृणमूल कांग्रेस अब जब देखा मैदान में उसको खड़ा होने का कोई चांसेस नहीं है, तब उन्होंने ऐसा अफवाह फैलाने का कोशिश कर रहे हैं। गवर्नर साहब को उन्होंने जिस ढंग से वो एक लड़की को देखे एक श्लीलता हानि का असॉल्ट करने का जो केस लगाया, ये पूरा साजिश है। कारण जिन महिला को एक बार किसी ने असॉल्ट किया, 5 दिन 6 दिन बाद उसी महिला उसी असॉल्टकारी के पास क्यों जाएगा?
Well, you know, Sandesh Khali has been an election issue and this is something that the BJP has harped on as far as the allegations that had emerged from there about, you know, harassment of women, sexual harassment, and that is something that the BJP had continuously talked about in election campaigns. Now, today the Trinamool, of course, is saying that this particular sting operation that has been done, which has been shared also on the platforms of the Trinamool Congress on social media, they say that this, of course, is a viral video today exposed how the BJP left no one stone unturned to malign Bengal. From mass rape to arms seizure, every claim was bought and staged by none other than Shubhendu Adhikari. That's, of course, the Trinamool Congress as far as this allegation is concerned. And they've also said from the beginning that this was an allegation that has, of course, been that, you know, that they said that it was a conspiracy and that these kind of incidents didn't take place. Now, the viral clip that's, of course, been shared by, of course, the Trinamool Congress of the sting operation also purportedly shows a local level leader, accepting that perhaps there wasn't these kind of allegations and that it was staged. But obviously this is something that has been an election issue and therefore the Trinamool is now, of course, going to town with this sting operation saying, look, we told you so, this was a staged thing and that there was a conspiracy to malign Bengal. So that's what the Trinamool Congress is saying. The BJP, of course, is responding saying that, look, there is no truth, and this, of course, Sandesh Khali, there are multiple affidavits that have been put on record. In fact, several affidavits were shared with the Calcutta High Court as far as this Sandesh Khali episode is concerned. So this is going to remain a political issue. But the sting operation is something that the Trinamool is banking on, to sort of blunt the attack that the BJP has made as far as the Sandesh Khali allegation is concerned. And therefore that is something that they will continue now in the days to come as this, sting operation is there in the public domain, which seems to suggest, at least as the man who's seen in that sting operation video seems to suggest that this was at some point planned to take on the Trinamool Congress. The BJP also responding, but this is once again a major political showdown because remember, right from the Prime Minister to the Home Minister, everyone has been talking about Sandesh Khali in the election campaign, and this is something that we will see continuing in the days to come as well.